Hello and welcome back to our next video in our development series with the Harley-Davidson Pan America. In this video, we are going to be showing you what we developed and how to install our safety and visibility accessories. So for us, that's going to be forward visibility lighting, DRLs, turn signals, rear visibility lighting, which is brake lights and turn signals, and of course our sound bomb horns. So let's go take a look at the bike. So the first product we want to introduce in our visibility line for the Pan America is a super slick install of our T3 switchback turn signal modules. We made a custom mounting bracket that is purpose built for the Pan America to mount these exactly where the factory turn signal sat. And boy, it gives this bike a really modern look. And to top it all off, we made a plug and play wiring adapter. So this will plug right into the back of our T3s and right into the turn signal connector on the Pan America. So the wiring for this T3 pod routes right underneath and through the plastic, same as the factory signal. And then we're just gonna plug that right into our plug and play adapter here and plug that side right into your bike. Now in this case, we're removing the factory signals, so we don't need to use the pass-through. But you can see on our adapter there is a pass-through, and that can be used for adding a T3 and keeping your factory turn signal. With those plugged in on both sides of the bike, we're just gonna tidy up the wiring with some zip ties and snap this front fairing back on the bike, and you are ready to ride. All right, we could not be more thrilled how these came out and how well they match the factory headlight and factory styling of this Pan Am. So let's go ahead and kick these on. That's gonna be the DRL mode. It's totally lining up and matching the factory DRL. And you'll see with the turn signal, you're gonna get that bright amber canceling back to white, and that's gonna be super bright amber on both sides of the bike. So I mean, I gotta say, it just really gives the bike a more modern look. And that's what it's gonna look like if you hit your flash, your hazards right there. So here we are looking at the rear of the Pan America, and we are running a pair of our T3 switchback turn signal modules. These are mounted to our mounting plates, and you can see how integrated that looks on the back of this bike. And here we have our plug and play adapter to make these complete plug and play. So laid over the top of the bike here at the front is gonna plug in line at your brake light connector. In the back, you're gonna plug in line at your left turn signal, your right turn signal, and those two white connectors are what you plug the T3s into for a complete plug and play install. So with the T3s wired up to the factory harness, you'll see that when you key the bike on, you're gonna get a red running light. That's gonna be a red brake light when you grab your brake, and just look at how much brighter that is than the factory. And it's gonna give you that amber turn signal. And last but not least, let's take a look at our solution for the DENALI sound bomb horn. You can see right behind the horn there is our prototype mounting bracket that grabs two mounting points, so it's super strong. It positions the horn in the ideal location on the left-hand side of your Pan Am, and wiring it couldn't be any easier. We have a plug and play wiring harness installed. These terminals here go right to the bottom of the horn. On the other end, it's connected to the battery, and then there's just a third lead that connects to your factory horn. So it would not be a complete install until we've tested that it's working. And I'm gonna warn you guys, this sucker is loud. Thanks for watching our video, guys. That's just a few of the lighting and visibility products that we're gonna be releasing for the Harley-Davidson Pan America. We have a lot more products coming for this bike, so please subscribe to this channel so you guys can get notified when we release our next video in the development series on the Harley-Davidson Pan America.